Now, good morning, class 6. Uranium. It is a hard silvery metal. It is highly malleable. Malleable means which can be given different shapes and ductile. It is also very dense and heaviest metal among all natural occurring elements. It is found in small traces in the rocks on the earth's surface, water, ocean water, and also in some minerals found in the earth's crust also. Uranium is used in nuclear power plants as fuel and also used in army for special ammunition. Kazakhstan is the largest producer of it. World's 41% uranium is produced here. Then is Canada, Australia. India gives only 1% to the uranium produced in India. India's uranium is found in Singhbhum, Jharkhand. Next is bauxite. It is a clay-like substance that contains several minerals from which aluminium and later alumina. Later it is extracted as aluminium. Depending on how much iron content is there, it is dependent upon that. The color of it might be pinkish or whitish, and if sometimes reddish also. This metal is the lightest metal which is used for aircraft industry. As I told earlier, aluminium is used to make aircraft because it is light and also a good conductor of electricity. That's why bauxite is very important for electrical industries. Australia, China and Brazil, these are the largest producer of this metal. Australia 30, China 25 and Brazil 14%. In India, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra and some places of Orissa, bauxite is produced. Next is manganese. It is grey white metal and breaks easily. It is not very hard. Manganese comes from a Latin word manganus, means magnet. Manganese is found. In it, different minerals are found. Different chemicals and physical properties, but is never found in a free metal in nature. This is not found as a free metal. Manganese is used in industries of glass, chemicals, batteries, insecticides, pesticides, potteries, paints, bleaching powder, etc. It is used to make alloy. What is alloy? When two different minerals are mixed together to make one other form, it is known as alloy. Manganese is mainly used in steel to give it a body, hardness of the body. China produces the largest manganese in the world, then is South Africa and Australia. And India, Orissa, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh are the places in Karnataka where manganese is produced. Gold, it is white, soft metal. It is very beautiful. That's why ornaments are made in it. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity. It is malleable and ductile. That's of elements. It has been valuable from as it is used for foreign trades. Gold, it is a precious metal because it is found in very limited quantity. Economic security of the countries in economic crisis comes from this gold only. It is mostly used for making jewelries. Leading producing countries are China, Australia, Russia, USA, Canada and South Africa. In India, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh are the places where important coal mines are found. Next comes silver. Silver is a lustrous metal. It is also a good conductor of heat and electricity. It is also strong, ductile and malleable like gold, and it can endure extreme temperature ranges. Silver is also good reflect light, available to reflect light Silver is a precious metal. It is also used for making jewelries. Bolivia is the largest producer of silver in the world. Then comes China, Poland, and Australia. In India, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Rajasthan are the places where silver is being produced. Mining is being done. Next comes copper. It is the soft metal that has a bright metallic luster. It is reddish orange in color. It is malleable. It is also malleable, ductile, and excellent conductor of heat and electricity. So it is used for making electric, telephone wires, pipes, coils, etc. Alloys are made from it like brass and bronze. Now, the domestic, where the largest producer of copper is Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo, then Australia and Chile. In Rajasthan, Khetri is the place where copper is being produced. Apart from that place, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka also produces copper. States are these. Next comes non-metallic minerals. Those are minerals like limestone. Limestone, which is generally used for construction, as we have known, China is the largest producer, followed by USA. In India, limestone is produced in great amount, like states like Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Limestone produced in India is mostly used in cement industry, 5% in the iron industry, and the remaining 1% industries for chemical, sugar, glass, fertilizer. The increased demand for limestone for decorative uses as well has been seen nowadays. It is used to make wall tiles, floor tiles, etc. Next is mica. It is in glass making used in glass making and electrical industries. China is the little producer. Then comes USA, Korea, and in India, Jharkhand and Munger in Bihar. Next is coal. Coal is a hard black metal. It is found below the earth's surface in the burnt and produce heat. It is a sedimentary rock that is formed when decayed remains of plants and trees are being compressed, and a high percentage of carbon is formed. High percentage of carbon is not formed. Carbon is formed for thousands of years. These are trees, and this leftover things have been compressed, and due to the pressure and heat, it turned into coal. Coal have high percentage of carbon, and it is non-renewable energy, as we will see next chapter. Coal is the major conventional energy resources on the basis of carbon. Coal is being divided into 4 categories: anthracite, which have 90% carbon; bituminous, 65% carbon; lignite, 45% carbon; and peat, which have only very little amount of carbon. Here also China is the largest producer, then followed by USA, and lastly India and Australia. India, Jharkhand, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh are the places where it is produced. Next is petroleum. It is the most important fuel of the world because the world runs on petrol. It is known as mineral oil, rock oil, and crude oil. It is black, greenish, or brown in color, found in porous sedimentary rocks of the earth. Petroleum is the product of plants and animals which have sunk or they have gone under the earth's crust, and they have hardened there and into sedimentary rocks. Petroleum is very important in today's world. Without it, nothing can be done because the vehicles run on petrol, the industries run on it, So, uh, next, petroleum is also used for making other byproducts like synthetic fiber, rubber, varnish, paints, grease, etc. 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 In India, okay, the other name of petrol is black gold because when it is taken out, it is black in color. That's why in the whole world, it is known as black gold. It is the largest producer of this this petrol is by the Arab. Then it is followed by Russia, America, China, Mexico, UAE, Canada, Kuwait, Venezuela, Iraq, and also leading producer of oil. India, just a very little 1% is produced. Places like Assam, Gujarat, Bombay High, etc. Also, it is told that now Krishna Godavari Basin and Andhra Pradesh is becoming the new center of oil production. Next, natural gas. This is also found under the soil earth crust. It is being deposited there. It is used for cooking. Russia is the leading producer of this gas. Then comes USA, Qatar, Iran, etc. India only produces 1.5% of the total natural gas of the world, and the producing areas are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, etc. So that's all for today.